Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 73 Ford Bronco, 302 roller, power steering, CVF Billet serpentine system, power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, ceramic coated headers. Just a nice restoration. Paint is extremely nice, all chrome trim, bright work is very nice on it. Body lines are fantastic. 2.5-inch lift, tons of new suspension, exhaust. Love the basket weave interior. Custom sound system really rocks. All the gauges work. CVF Goodrich all-terrain radials. Great body lines. Very nice paint. Billet gas gauge. Got seat belts. Rear speakers, front speakers. Tank of gas, alternator, amp gauge, whatever you like to call it, oil pressure, temp gauge, just starting to get up into normal range. It is four-wheel drive. All the blinkers, lights, blower motor, etc. work on the vehicle. Just the attention to detail on this. Full roll bar. You can go to www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 75 pictures. www.westportautocenter.com. Want to pick up the phone and call somebody? My name is Mark. We're more than happy to answer your questions. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. And fly in, St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. More than happy to pick you up at the airport, bring you here, take it for a drive, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. But just a stunning restoration. Take this for a ride. Tight running Bronco. Again, you'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Fly in, we'll pick you up, forward us your itinerary, and we'll take it for a spin, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. If you want to talk to somebody in person, my name is Mark, 314-346-6039. Again, that's 314-346-6039. Be happy to answer any questions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Share the video. Leave any feedback, comments below. Love to hear from you. Check out our webpage and see all the other vehicles that we have for sale. We have 3 warehouses with cars, trucks, and SUVs all for sale. If you don't have all the cash, don't feel that you need all the cash, we have extraordinary financing, great terms, great rates. So you don't need all the money to drive one of these. Definitely one of the nicer, tighter Broncos I've driven in a while. It's really, steering's responsive, not a wandering vehicle. Good power. Just a nice build. Four-wheel drive, power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, billet pulley, serpentine system, ceramic coated headers, basket weave interior, bucket seat center console. Just a really, really nice build. Stunning color combination. Just nicely optioned. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.